guys, welcome you back to my channel Biomix Up. Hope you're doing well. So in the last video we have already discussed some questions of DNA replications which are asked in CSIR Life Science Net. In this video we are going to discuss some more questions regarding the DNA replication in case of prokaryotes. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started with the video, guys. So this is our first question. In bacterial genome and plasmid, if bacterial genome and plasmid are allowed to replicate in same number using same replication machinery, then plasmid DNA will replicate faster. Yes, the plasmid DNA will replicate faster because the plasmid is the extrachromosomal DNA and it is smaller than the bacterial genome. So A is the correct option. Next question. Question B. टाइप्स ऑफ प्रूफ रीडिंग एक्टिविटी बाय डीएनए पॉलीमरेज 1 इन ई कोलाई इज। ये पूछ रहे हैं कि प्रूफ रीडिंग एक्टिविटी डीएनए पॉलीमरेज 1 पे कैसे होता है। इट इज 5' to 3' to 5' एक्सो न्यूक्लियस एक्टिविटी। नेक्स्ट, among the following which activity is absent in bacterial DNA polymerase 1? It is 3' to 5' polymerase activity. It is absent in case of DNA polymerase 1. यहाँ पे क्या प्रेजेंट है? यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट है 5' to 3' polymerase activity प्रेजेंट है, as well as it is having 5' to 3' as well as 3' to 5' exonuclease activity प्रेजेंट होता है हमारा बैक्टीरियल DNA polymerase पे. It is not having the 3' to 5' polymerase activity. Now the next question. Among the following, which is termed as proofreading activity of DNA polymerase? 5' to 3' polymerase activity? No, it is a polymerase activity. 3' to 5' polymerase? No. 5' to 3' exonuclease activity? No. 3' to 5' exonuclease activity? Yes, this is the correct option. This is the DNA. It is a proofreading activity of DNA polymerase. जब कभी भी DNA का synthesis होगा, like the DNA polymerase will continuously synthesize, and if it is recognizing a incorrect nucleotide, then it will backtrack and through the help of 3' to 5' exonuclease activity, it will remove the DNA and it will synthesize a correct nucleotide. Okay. Now let's see the next question. In prokaryotes, during replication, the lagging strand is synthesized in a series of short fragments known as Okazaki fragments, consequently requiring many primers. The RNA primers of Okazaki fragments are subsequently degraded by DNA polymerase 1 and the gaps are filled. How does DNA polymerase 1 fills the gap once the primer has been removed from lagging strand? ये पूछ रहा है कि डीएनए पॉलीमरेज 1 का जब कभी भी लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड का सिंथेसिस हो रहा है, ड्यूरिंग दैट प्रोसेस द प्राइमर्स आर बीइंग रिमूव एंड अगेन इट इज सिंथेसाइज. ये पूछ रहा है कि वंस ए गैप, how the primer is working and how the gap is been filled. It is by 3' end of existing Okazaki fragment on lagging strand which serves as a template. यहाँ पे क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? यहाँ पे एक लीडिंग स्ट्रैंड प्रेजेंट होता है और लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड पे होता है हमारा सेगमेंट्स. ओके, फ्रॉम हियर द प्राइमर इज बीइंग रिमूव और यहाँ पे आके डीएनए पॉलीमरेज 1 वर्क करेगा. सो ये दिस इज अ एग्जिस्टिंग स्ट्रैंड, सो दिस it will take this existing strands 3' OH group and it will take the leading strand as a template and it will fill this gap. Okay, so the option is the correct option. Now the next question. In an in vivo experiment using radio-labeled nucleotide, a researcher is trying to analyze the possible products or DNA replication by resolving the products using urea polyacrylamide gel electrophoresis. In one experiment setup, RNase H was added. एक सेट है, सेट 1 जो है यहाँ पे RNase H ऐड किया गया था, while in another set no RNase H. सेट 2 जो प्रेजेंट था यहाँ पे RNase 2 प्रेजेंट नहीं था. ओके, सो द पॉसिबल ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट कुड बी. यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है कि कौन कौन सा पॉसिबल एक्सपेरिमेंट हो सकता है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, देयर इज नो डिफरेंस इन द मोबिलिटी ऑफ लेबल्ड डीएनए फ्रैगमेंट्स बिटवीन द सेट 1 एंड सेट 2. अगर यहाँ पे RNase H प्रेजेंट है, वाई दिस RNase H इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल? ये जो है प्राइमर रिमूवल के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि देयर इज नो डिफरेंस इन द मोबिलिटी ऑफ लेबल डीएनए फ्रेगमेंट्स बिटवीन सेट 1 एंड सेट 2. नो, दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. अगर कुछ डिफरेंस ही नहीं है, सो वाई इन वन साइड दे आर गिविंग द RNAs and in the other side they are not giving the RNAs. So next option, there is a distinct difference in the mobility of the newly synthesized labeled DNA fragments between set 1 and set 2. Yes, this is the correct statement. Next, the mobility of the newly synthesized labeled DNA fragment in case of set 1 is faster as compared to set 2. Okay, the mobility of the newly synthesized labeled DNA इन केस ऑफ सेट 1 इज फास्टर. हाँ, ये सेट 1 का फास्टर होगा, क्यों? RNAs ट्रीटमेंट किया गया है यहाँ पर, और ये RNAs का जो ट्रीटमेंट होगा, सो वाई दिस RNAs ट्रीटमेंट, अगर ये RNAs ट्रीटमेंट नहीं होता तो वो RNA प्राइमर का रिमूवल नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे RNA प्राइमर का रिमूवल हो गया है एंड द केस इज फास्टर. Next, the mobility of the newly synthesized labeled DNA in case of set 1 is slower as compared to set 2. No, this is not the correct option. So B and C is the correct option for the statement. Now next, in semi-conservative mode of DNA replication, two parental strands unwind and are used for synthesis of new strands following the rule of complementary base pairing. Synthesis of complementary strand requires that DNA synthesis proceeds in opposite direction, while the double helix is progressively unwinding and replicating in only one direction. One of the DNA strand is continuously synthesized in the same direction in the advanced replication fork and is called leading strand. Okay, whereas the other strand is synthesized discontinuously and is called lagging strand. The short fragments discontinuous are labeled as Okazaki fragment. When we matured in the case by which one of the following. ये बोल रहा है कि जो Okazaki fragment जो present है, how they will be reset. जो ये जो present है, it is by DNA polymerase 1 and DNA ligase. ये जो है हमें यूकैरियोट्स में भी सेम इस क्वेश्चन का हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. ये जो है दिस Okazaki fragments, the primers will be removed by DNA polymerase 1 and it will be reset and it will be filled and it will be ligated by DNA ligase. Okay. So now the next question. During DNA replication events at the replication fork require different type of enzymes having specialized function etc. ये बोल रहा है कि DNA replication के टाइम पे replication fork में different type of enzymes का requirement है except DNA polymerase 3. Yes, this is the main enzyme for DNA replication. DNA gyrase ये जो है unwinding करने के लिए help करे, it will help in removing the positive supercoil. DNA ligase ये जो है ligation के लिए help करेगा. DNA glycosylase, no, this is not having any function. Next question is question number 9. Origin of replication usually contains, ये पूछ रहा है कि जो जहाँ पे origin start होगा वो वहाँ पे कौन सा क्या present होता है. It is the AT-RIS sequence. AT-RIS sequence present है क्योंकि इसको अगर A और T it is being bounded by 2 hydrogen bonds. So इसका separation के लिए easy होगा. It will require less energy for the separation of the A and T bond as compared to JC bond. So D is the correct statement. Next question is question number 10. In bacteria, chromosomal DNA replication stops at one specific locus, several specific locus, at single locus randomly, for several locus randomly. No, it is one specific locus. There is a specific locus from where there will be synthesis starting of the synthesis of DNA, as well as there is one specific locus where there will be end of chromosomal DNA. Now, question number 11. It takes 40 minutes for a typical E. coli shell to completely replicate its chromosomes. Simultaneously to the ongoing replication, 20 minutes of a fresh. It takes 40 minutes for a typical E. coli shell to completely replicate its chromosome. Yes, it takes 40 minutes. Simultaneous to the ongoing replication, 20 minutes of a fresh round of replication is completed before the cell divides. What would be the generation time at 37 degree in a complex medium? ये बोल रहा है कि normally 40 minutes ले रहा है E. coli chromosome, but ongoing replication में 20 minutes हो जा रहा है. तो what is the generation time? So the generation time is 20 minutes. Okay, now the next question number 12. In E. coli grown under nutrient rich condition, replication of entirely genome takes about 40 minutes. 40 minutes ले रहा है. Okay, yet it can divide every 20 minutes. This is because ये बोल रहा है कि originally it is taking 40 minutes but it can also divide in 20 minutes ये बोल रहा है. What is the reason that it can divide in 20 minutes? First option जो है, while E. coli divides every 20 minutes, equal transfer of genetic material occur only in the alternate round of cell division. No, the second round of genome replicate begins before the completion of first round of replication, and by the time cell is ready to divide, 2 copies of the genome are available. Yes, this is a correct statement. Before the second round of genome replication begins before the completion of first round. फर्स्ट राउंड का कंप्लीशन होने के पहले ही सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ डीएनए का रेप्लिकेशन स्टार्ट हो गया होगा. दैट इज द रीजन इट इज टेकिंग हाफ द टाइम टू रेप्लिकेट. ओके, सो बी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. इन ई कोलाई थ्रू डीएनए पॉलीमरेज 1, though DNA polymerase 1 plays an essential role in the replication process, it is not the major polymerase. Instead, the enzyme responsible for advancement of replication fork is polymerase 3. Okay. From the 4 DNA structures A, B, C and D given below, students made several interruptions about the sorter arm being extended, polymerase 1 and polymerase 3. Which one of the written below is correct? यहाँ पे कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट किए गए हैं और नीचे कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट विच इज करेक्ट. ए स्टेटमेंट, ए विल बी एक्सटेंडेड बाय पोलीमरेज 3 बट नॉट बाय पोलीमरेज 1. यहाँ पे देखो ये जो बोल रहे हैं, ये बोल रहा है कि ए जो है इट विल बी एक्सटेंडेड बाय पोलीमरेज 3. पोलीमरेज 3 से वो एक्सटेंड हो सकता है लेकिन पोलीमरेज 1 से वो एक्सटेंड नहीं हो सकता है. सो हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल? यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे है 3' OH ग्रुप. सो डीएनए का जो रेप्लिकेशन होगा इट रिक्वायर्स ए फ्री 3' OH ग्रुप. यहाँ पे 3' OH ग्रुप तो फ्री है लेकिन इसके लिए कुछ स्ट्रैंड प्रेजेंट नहीं, कुछ टेम्पलेट के लिए कुछ स्ट्रैंड प्रेजेंट नहीं है. सो दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. नेक्स्ट बी, neither B nor C will be extended by DNA polymerase 1. ये बोल रहा है B और C polymerase 1 से एक्सटेंड नहीं हो सकते हैं. लेट्स सी, B 3' OH यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट है, सो इट इज़ नॉट हैविंग टेम्पलेट, सो ये सिंथेसिस नहीं हो सकता है. C को देखो, C पे 3' OH ग्रुप प्रेजेंट है बट इट इज़ नॉट हैविंग एनी स्ट्रैंड प्रेजेंट ओवर हियर. So this is the correct statement. Neither B nor C will be extended by DNA either polymerase 1 or polymerase 3. This is the correct option. Next option C. C will be extended by polymerase 1 and polymerase 3. No, C will not be extended because it is not having any template. It is having the free 3' OH group but it is not having any template for the synthesis. So C option is the incorrect. Next D. D will be extended only by polymerase 1. यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि D जो है polymerase 1 से extend हो सकता है but not by polymerase 3. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे ये आकर एक्सटेंड हो सकता है, इट कैन एक्सटेंड. ओके, यहाँ पे वो एक्सटेंड हो सकता है बट यहाँ पे वो एक्सटेंड नहीं हो सकता है. सो एक्सटेंडेड ओनली बाय पोलीमरेज 1. वाई इट विल बी सिंथेसाइज बाय ओनली पोलीमरेज 1? वाई नॉट पोलीमरेज 3? पोलीमरेज 1 से भी हो सकता है, पोलीमरेज 3 से भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, सो ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. Question. In all organisms, it is critical that replication initiation be tightly controlled to ensure that chromosome number and cell number remains approximately balanced. Given below are several statements regarding regulation of replication in E. coli. First statement is hemimethylation and sequestration of orase C by a protein called SEC-A prevents initiation of replication. Yes, SEC-A जो present है it is helping in preventing from initiation. Okay, next, availability of DNA A protein is an important requirement for initiation of replication. Yes, जो DNA A जो protein present है वो require है during the initiation of replication. So A and B is the correct option. So यहाँ पे पूछ रहा है कि not correct. So यहाँ पे A B eliminate, यहाँ पे B है eliminate, C and D is the correct option for this question. Next question है question number 15. E. coli takes 40 minutes to duplicate its genome using a bidirectional mode of replication. In E. coli, where to use unidirectional mode of replication to synthesize a full copy of DNA complementary to just one of the strand of the genome it would take. यहाँ पे बोल रहा है कि 40 मिनट ले रहा है when it is replicating in bidirectional. हमें बोल रहा है कि अगर यूनिडायरेक्शनल एक सिंगल डायरेक्शन में अगर वो रेप्लिकेशन होगा तो कितना टाइम लगेगा. सो इट इज 80 मिनट. इट इज द डबल द टाइम. ओके, सो इट इज द 80 minute. Now let us discuss the next question. During replication, RNase-H removes all of the RNA primer except the ribonucleotide directly linked to the DNA template. This is because it can degrade DNA, RNA and from the 5' end. No, it can only cleave bond between two ribonucleotides. Third, it can degrade RNA and DNA from their 3' end. सो यहाँ पे जो RNase-H जो प्रेजेंट है, व्हाट इज डज इट, जो डीएनए का जो सिंथेसिस जो प्रेजेंट है, इट विल ओनली क्लीव द RND बेस. यहाँ पे के RNA और डीएनए का बॉन्ड जो फॉर्मेशन होगा उसे वो क्लीव नहीं कर सकता है. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. इट कैन ओनली क्लीव बॉन्ड्स बिटवीन टू राइबोन्यूक्लियोटाइड्स. RNA प्राइमर जो प्रेजेंट है, इट इज this is the RNA primer जो present, it is a RNA. So this RNase-H will cleave everything except the last nucleotide which is attached with this DNA template. Okay, now the next question. It is a 17th question. For E. coli chromosomal DNA replication, which one of the following statement is true? E. coli के लिए कौन सा statement true है वो पूछ रहा है. DNA polymerase 1 is a main polymerase required for DNA replication. No, DNA replication. DNA polymerase 3 is the main engine. DNA polymerase 1, though identified originally by Kornberg as one of the responsible for replication, is not important for DNA replication process. It is one of the important factor during the replication process. जो ओकाज़की फ्रैगमेंट जो हो रहा है, लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड का जो सिंथेसिस हो रहा है, जो प्राइमर का रिमूवल होकर फिर से वो सिंथेसिस, वो स्ट्रेच ऑफ स्ट्रैंड सिंथेसिस हो रहा है, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम DNA polymerase 1 is responsible. So this is not the true statement. ये बोल रहा है not important. Next, requirement of DNA polymerase 1 is in the context of removal of RNA primer needed for DNA synthesis. Yes, it is removing the RNA primer and then filling the gap. So this is the correct statement. In the figure above, replication of DNA begins from the origin of replication of the chromosome of a newly identified bacterium having a double-stranded circular DNA genome is shown. Characterization of DNA polymerase responsible for genome replication showed that DNA synthesis occurred in 5' to 3' direction and it depends on the presence of a primer. As so, replication begins at the point marked O on the left side, okay, of the bubble, and both the parent strand were replicated concurrently. The longer arrow inside the bubble showed the leading strand. ये जो है, ये है हमारा leading strand. This is the leading strand. Whereas the shorter arrow मार्क ABC, ये जो है शॉर्टर एरो जो प्रेजेंट है, दे आर द ओकाज़की फ्रैगमेंट. यहाँ पे कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं, इसमें से करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट फाइंड आउट करना है. बाई डायरेक्शनल मोड ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन, यहाँ पे बाई डायरेक्शनल मोड ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन नहीं हो रहा है, इट इज़ द यूनिडायरेक्शनल मोड. ओके, नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे भी दिया है बाई डायरेक्शनल, इट इज़ नॉट बाई डायरेक्शनल. सी, यूनिडायरेक्शनल मोड ऑफ रेप्लिकेशन, यस इट इज़ यूनिडायरेक्शनल मोड wherein synthesis of Okazaki fragment mark C, यहाँ पे C जो present है occur prior to those of marked A and B. C जो है वो first synthesis हुआ as compared to B and A. Yes, this is the correct statement. Now next question. Question number 19. The following statement refer to E. coli replicative DNA polymerase. यहाँ पे DNA polymerase के बारे में कुछ statements दिया गया है and we have to find the correct statement from this. A. DNA polymerase 1 display very limited processivity and possesses 3' to 5' exonuclease activity allowing fidelity of DNA polymerase. Yes, DNA polymerase have the property of 3' to 5' exonuclease activity by which it is helping in the DNA repair, DNA or removing the mismatched nucleotides. Next, DNA polymerase 3 is suitable for leading strand DNA synthesis due to high processivity and 5' to 3' exonuclease activity. No, it is not for 5' to 3' exonuclease. It is not having 5' to 3' exonuclease activity. Next, so यहाँ पे B option incorrect है, यहाँ पे B option incorrect है. A is the correct option. So A or C is the correct option for this question. Let's see the C statement. DNA polymerase 1 possesses 5' to 3' exonuclease activity which allows removal of RNA primer, while its 5' to 3' polymerase activity allows it to fill the gap created by removal of RNA primer exonuclease activity. Yes, ये जो है करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. DNA polymerase के पास क्या क्या प्रेजेंट होता है? लाइक इट इज हैविंग 5' to 3' polymerase activity, 5' to 3' exonuclease activity as well as 3' to 5' exonuclease activity. ये जो DNA polymerase 1 का 5' to 3' exonuclease जो एक्टिविटी है, इट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द रिमूवल ऑफ द प्राइमर, और 5' to 3' polymerase एक्टिविटी जो प्रेजेंट है, इट इज हेल्पिंग इन द सिंथेसिस ऑफ द प्राइमर्स. दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द क्वेश्चंस which are asked in CSIR Life Science Net from the topic DNA replication. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.